Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix no enhancement tab is showing on your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, right click on your start menu and click on device manager over there, and here into expand sound, video and game controller. As you can see, so my main audio device is Realtek, so I will right click over there and click on update driver. After that, click on browse my computer for drivers. Now here to select, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So here to select high definition audio driver. Now click on yes, and after that close this window. Now you have to restart your computer. So after restart your PC, if you'll go right click on your sound settings, go to sound settings here, and here you need to click on more options, more sound settings. And here you can see, if you'll double click on speaker, here is the enhancement tab over there, showing over there. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.